In a world where creativity has long been the defining trait of humanity, a new contender has emerged: generative AI. These powerful machines can write stories, compose music, paint masterpieces, and even produce entire videos. But the question remains, should AI be allowed to create and control content, or should humans always hold the reins of creativity? Imagine an artist who has spent years perfecting their craft, only to see an AI generate a painting in seconds. A writer spends weeks crafting a story, but AI can produce an entire novel overnight. Some argue that AI is just another tool like a paintbrush or a camera, enhancing human creativity rather than replacing it. Others fear that AI could overshadow human artists, leaving originality and emotional depth behind. In the digital age, where content fuels industries, the debate intensifies. Who should control what we see, hear, and experience? Can AI truly understand emotions, culture, and ethics, or is it just mimicking patterns? Tech companies argue that AI-driven creativity will revolutionize industries, making content more accessible and efficient. Meanwhile, artists and writers worry that their work will be undervalued, drowned in a flood of AI-generated material. But here's the real question. If AI can create, should it also decide what content is most valuable? Could an algorithm built by humans but governed by data control what stories are told and which voices are heard? At the core of this debate lies a fundamental truth. While AI can generate art, stories, and music, it lacks the human experience. Creativity isn't just about patterns, it's about passion, struggles, and emotions. AI may enhance creativity, but should it ever replace human imagination? So, what do you think? Should AI take the lead in content creation? Or should humans always have the final say? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this discussion thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.